Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a review of Walmart's Onepay. In order to do so, here we are at walmart.com and we're CP / 536845548. Just search for Walmart Onepay. You should be able to find this page. Onepay is the new digital wallet that offers cash back. Check out with Onepay Wallet online or in store at Walmart. Is it worth it? Well, let's ask Cider Fusion. According to Cider, Onepay can be used at Walmart, both online and in store. Customers can add credit or debit cards to their Onepay wallet and earn points. However, some users have reported issues with Onepay at Walmart, including instances where it did not work and staff were unfamiliar with the system. Overall, user reviews seem to be mixed, with some appreciating the features and other experiencing problems. It's important to note that successful use may depend on the store's implementation and staff training. So take a look at it. If it's something that you think you'd be interested in, by all means, but you might want to do your research. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in taking advantage of Cider AI, take a look at the link in the description. You will find a link to our link tree. There you will find information on our upcoming Intro to AI webinars, as well as discount code Skillcraft60 for Sintra AI and links to Cider AI and EnzoBot. Finally, you will also find a link to our X account where we are now posting helpful AI news and tips on a regular basis. We just got started, so if you could follow us over there, we would greatly appreciate it. Also, click the links here to get started as well. We would greatly appreciate it. You'd be helping us out.